All right, all right, all right. Let's get everything ready here. How's it going, fam? Let's put everything here ready to go because it's spicy, a pretty spicy one. So, I'm so happy you're joining us right now. It's a long day personally, and I haven't been able to be here looking at everything. So that's why I'm one of the reasons that I'm actually stopping by, and I want to kind of take a deep breath and go through everything once again. I somewhat already know like what happened in the markets, as we mentioned, guys, earlier today with China and the US. There's a few clips Trump speaking, and I want to play some of them. I want to just relax a little bit. Oh man. Oh yeah, I think you guys are also noticing something pretty different today with me. It's what XRP does to you. No, I'm just kidding, but much needed, man. How you doing, fam? Welcome. Who is selling XRP? That's the big question. Who is really selling XRP? And should you be selling XRP, right? Well, it's up to you. It's your money. I mean, I don't really. I'm not in the business of telling people what to do with their money, But I got my water. It had to be the blood on the street. So sorry about that, right? 175 per one XRP right now. We went from almost $2 to 175 once again, which makes total sense. And I'll explain why in just a second. Smash the like button, guys. Consider subscribing to the channel. We have the alerts on right now. We have awesome members and also moderators and new viewers right now coming in. And let's see who do we meet, right? Let's see who do we meet right now. And I'm already looking at some of the comments. You lost your hair with all this stress. Kevin, what's up, bro? No, I just went to get a haircut. Because I'm tired, man. I'm a guy. I just want 3, 1, and that's it. So I'm like, I just keep it simple. It's gonna grow back. Plus, I'm gonna be ready for Dubai. So in 2 to 3 weeks, I'll be good as new. So on the golf course, nice, Dangerous Dave. Happy to see you, buddy. Welcome. We got a good job to do tonight. Very happy to see a lot of people filing in right now on the screen. We got really good news when it comes to XRP, when it comes to crypto. I'm about to open up X and show you a few things. But how you all doing, guys? Let's speak a little bit on really what is bringing the pain in the market. I see you've had your ears lowered. It's all because of the tariffs, guys. That's just what it is, right? It's all because of the tariffs. China and the United States. That's basically the two main points of tension, right? China and the US. 104%. I believe in the next 25 minutes, because we know that at midnight Eastern time, these are going to go into effect. So I'm going to open X. I'm going to go ahead and take a look at that one in just a second right now. So could more pain be coming? Welcome to crypto under Trump, right? Oscar, I just clocked out. Who stole your hair? I had to prepare for the bear. I had to prepare for all the crashing, Tariffs kicking in tomorrow, correct. Money in hand. We'll see what happens. Yes, Giovanni, yes. A tariff haircut? Yes, we got a tariff haircut. You guys got it. All right, so let's go ahead and do this. We'll keep XRP in one of my sites right here. It's been a long day. I went to see one of my rental properties, and had to go to see the doctor for one thing and get a haircut and a bunch of things, Life. It's basically life what happened today. So that's why I'm a little bit late. So here it is. First video I see on X, and it's the one and only Donald J. Trump with well, why don't we go ahead and just play it and see what the damage is.
Because I'm telling you, these countries are calling us up, kissing my ass. They are. Because I'm telling you, these countries are calling us up, kissing my ass. They are. They are dying to make a deal. Please, please, sir, make a deal. I'll do anything. I'll do anything, sir. Because I'm telling you, these countries are calling.
Oh boy, there's a lot. I'm gonna like this one to save it. There's so much happened today, man. Bitcoin falls under $75,000, right? About 2 hours ago, I wasn't able to be live or so, but I saw the blood on the streets, and I'm like, man, that's pretty crazy, you know. Oscar, please take a look at the old profile picture and let me know. Prediction looks down 1 to trillion. Planets, gotcha. My money bald now. Nice, Gilbert. Good to have you, buddy. Welcome. Looks like a haircut they give to inmates. I like to keep it this way, honestly. You know, sometimes just take a nice refresh, reset. You know, 174. This is what happened, fam. A nice 22% retracement and nice 22% pullback to the upside. And then now we're seeing more because of obviously China. And here it is. This is another one.
Right now, China's paying a 104% tariff. Think of it, 104%. Now, it sounds ridiculous, but they charged us for many items 100%, 125%. Many countries have. They've ripped us off left and right. But now it's our turn to do the ripping. Right now, China's...
That do the ripping is going to hurt, obviously. And we are all seeing it right now, obviously, right? So I'm going to like this one again. President Trump signs executive order officially rising tariffs on China to 104%, which is what I told you guys in my previous video. It's all about China today and the US. Over $1.5 trillion wiped out of, from the US stock market today. Just would you take a look at that, bro? That's what it is right now. Why is he bald? No down good. He's in the XRP hair loss program. You guys are having a fun time with me. Oh, man. It's okay. Go ahead. I don't take any offense. This is going to grow back pretty fast. That's one of the things that I have. You know, I grow a lot of hair super fast. I like it. I don't have any problems. But sometimes it's like to get a reset. And this is to celebrate, that we're getting clapped in the cheeks in the crypto space, which is okay. I mean, that's one of the reasons that we tell you, fam, having some cash on the side, it's going to do well. In other good news, guys, I am halfway there to get 1 Bitcoin. So I just need half more and I'll be the proud owner of 1 Bitcoin. What's up, Mail? Yes, we can sue Trump. No, it's going to be fine, brother. It's going to be fine. Fernando. Minimum maintenance, Oscar. I told you to wait for $1 XRP. Imagine, bro, $1 XRP. Next. White House says believes Trump in the US has the capability to make iPhones in the United States. Guys, I mean, wouldn't this make the iPhone more expensive? Just saying, right? One of the reasons that they go to China is to make the prices still somewhat, close to $1,000. But there's a chance that if they make it here in the US, the prices will go up, obviously. Just my 2 cents. Canada announces 25% tariffs on some US-made cars. There you go. Canada is saying, hey, don't forget about me, you know? So, guys, it's just a mess. I told you this one earlier today. It's just a complete mess right now. There's tons and tons and tons and tons of updates of headlines affecting everything. Oh, what in the no way? Oh no, that is AI. I was like, that couldn't be Cristiano. Okay, yeah, that's AI. What is this? Okay, so I wanna listen to this one a little bit too. I think it's a much longer one explaining what happened to the market. Price of XRP right now. Let's cut to the 15 minutes, guys. We went to 179 a couple of minutes ago, and then a couple hours ago, and now finally down. So those who are buying, the 160 like I did, good job. We're still there. We're still a little bit higher than that, and that's good for sure. Chinese tech stocks just went green after being down almost 6% a few minutes ago. Yeah. I don't want to look at my portfolio anymore anytime soon. I feel you, man. I know. There's a lot of people with that mentality. I feel you. China tariffs. So here's a full list of the worldwide U.S. tariffs starts in 30 minutes. Yeah, so I was right. They just posted this one a couple minutes ago. Yeah. I was right. They just posted this one a couple minutes ago. Guys, oh my goodness. Worldwide U.S. tariff starts in 30 minutes. Oh my goodness. Oh, are we actually about to see another mega crash? I wonder. Drop a like, fam. Smash the like button. Get ready with those shorts. Get ready with some positions. Click the first link down below, down in the description, or the first link at the top of the chat, and sign up. Sign up on BTCC to start your trading. You're buying your positions. We're doing it, fam, every single day, and I'm getting Bitcoin. I'm, slowly but surely always adding some Bitcoin in this blood on the streets because you never know. You never know, guys. Carlos, what's up, buddy? When are we going to the moon? So it's all about when they're gonna actually stop or mitigate, the tariffs for sure. Let me take a look at planets. We had a major bull trap, and now we're seeing major bear trap. Let's go. Mayor Jacobs. Yes, correct. Hey, Oscar, other channels who's promoting XRPs, talking to many flowering worlds, and it looks like he's a clown at this point. What's up, Russell? Oscar, how are we bullish and bearish if you're telling us to buy when dip and you're shorting? Alex, that's a great question. So let me elaborate a little bit. It just depends what strategy you're doing, right? Like if I want to buy 100,000 XRP, it doesn't really matter when you buy. You're gonna be adding to your positions for long term, right? But if you are trading XRP, then you are coming in and getting out, coming in and getting out. So it's a different way of buying crypto. More advanced, you gotta have a cold mindset and just go in and get out and have your levels whereas you are an investor and you just don't really worry much where you buy because you're just gonna be a constant buyer in the market and you will eventually get to your goal, right? Because it will trend upwards, right? And that's okay. Like no one knows when the bottom is in, but it is good practice to keep dollar cost averaging as many times as you can possibly try. It's about to dump. That's why I'm here live, bro. In about 15 minutes we're gonna see some of this live and see what the damage is. So Bobby, you're like a constant buyer. Correct. So if you're a constant buyer, fam, then that means that you have like a recurring investment already set, could be every day, every week, every month. If that's what you do, that's phenomenal then. But I do both. I do leverage and I do investing, right? So when I say things, I wish that my audience also helps me see that I'm talking to both traders, because I have watching me right now, and I'm talking also to investors. Like, we have a lot of people. Oh, and we also have XRP maxis and Bitcoin maxis. We have all kinds of people right now. So when I say something, it's like, look at yourself and say, is that for me? Sometimes it is, sometimes it is not for you, right? So it's not like I'm saying sell now. Well, if you're an investor, what would you sell now? But if you're a trader and if you're doing longs per se, well, just know that in about 15 minutes, there could be a sell-off. So if you open up a long, you might get liquidated. You know what I'm saying? So that's my the way I do things, right? Oh yes, Michael, don't you know? Pump it up. You got to pump it up 100%. Dan says, Oscar, iPhones built in the States will either cost more or profit margins will become tighter. Dan, do we really believe Apple is going to allow for their profit margins to be tighter? Really? You know what's going to happen. They're going to be sending the price to the consumer. 100%. Only Bitcoin you hold and never sell. XRP will always crash in the bear market. Well, also Bitcoin, but I get it for sure. Oscar got a new haircut. Yes, I did. We're looking good. I think so. You guys tell me. Hopefully I do look good. Now let's go ahead and play this and kind of listen a little bit.
We had 88% increase in the stock markets. We had an 88% increase. There's never been any president that had an 88% increase. We had 88%, and there were a lot of happy people. And I think we're going to do much better than that this time, because this time I'm doing what I want to do with respect to the tariffs. I think we're going to do much better. And just remember the numbers. When you get up to $2 billion a day, $2 billion a day, they're saying, sir, can't be that, can it? I said, yeah, it can. It's the biggest transaction ever made. This is bigger than any deal. You guys, some of you work for companies. Your companies are peanuts. I don't care how big they are. Compared, this is the largest transaction in the history of our country. And don't let some of these politicians go around saying, because I'm telling you, these countries are calling us up, kissing my ass. They are dying to make a deal. Please, sir, make a deal. I'll do anything, sir. And then I'll see some rebel Republican, some guy that wants to grandstand, say, I think that Congress should take over negotiations. Let me tell you, you don't negotiate like I negotiate. Congress takes over negotiating. Sell America fast, because you're going to go busted. You don't. I just saw it today. A couple of your congressmen said, I think we should get involved in the negotiation of the tariffs. Oh, that's what I need. I need some guy telling me how to negotiate. I tell you, the happiest people in the world would be China. They wouldn't be paying 104%. I tell you, they'd be paying no percent. We'd be paying them 104%. That's the beauties. These guys, we got to be careful. And even the concept of it hurts your negotiation. When they see a little story like that, the other side, it hurts your negotiation. And then the fake news wants to build it up, and it has no chance anyway. But we have to remain united. As I defend workers.
So what do we hear here? What do we get from this one? Well, classic Trump, right? He's doing whatever he wants, which is okay. He won. So elections have consequences. He's just basically trying to speed up the process, right? Instead of doing, let's first tariff, Mexico and Canada, right? So the market is like, okay, just two countries. No. He's freaking doing everybody. Everybody. Well, obviously we're going to crash. Obviously. It's like, not like, okay, just China, just Mexico per se. No, the whole world is getting tariff. So it makes total sense, guys, right? Makes total sense. Let's continue. Dear Michael Saylor, you are the most likely becoming the next victim of this market. I will start selling as much Bitcoin as I could in your case. Bitcoin is now only 10% above your average Bitcoin entry. Let me predict it straight. MSTR will most likely be sold to avoid liquidation. Oh, bro. Why is everybody so bearish right now, man? Oh, by the way, tomorrow we got the potential confirmation of Paul Atkins. And those might be good news, but you know what's going to happen every time we have good news. Tell me, everybody in the comments, what do we see every time we have good news? Nothing. Or if we see a pump, tariffs are killing us again and again and again. More blood. It's like we need bad news to have pumps. Oh man, it's like so funny, bro. It's so funny. This is the most important chart. What is this? Tired of winning. I know, right? I know. What in the world is this? Oh, dang. People are like crazy. Nah. Trump wallet just started dumping Ethereum at a loss. I don't think so. It will be too much. It will be too much drama. I need this. I need this, guys. I need this right now.
We're going to win so much, you may even get tired of winning. And you'll say, please, please, it's too much winning. We can't take it anymore. Mr. President, it's too much. And I'll say, no, it isn't. We have to keep winning. We have to win more. We're going to win more. We're going to win. We're going to win.
Sorry, guys. You know, sometimes on a daily basis, it's my alarm clock, basically. Crypto guys, January the 1st, 2025. Today we are getting demolished, bro. I posted this one, bro. All XRP holders be like the guy from Euphoria, bro. It's just fun, man. What's up, Trade Review? It's been a while, man. Good to see you, bro. Good to see you. What levels are you thinking tonight, Oscar? Well, 161. If in about 5 minutes things are gonna change, maybe, then let's take a look at 160, 161 for sure. Because the thing is that this 104 tariff, which I mean, just was announced today. It was announced today. I think so because we talked about it, right? Watch a guru. Here. On April 8th, today, the United States has imposed a 104 tariff on all goods from China effective as of midnight. In response, you know, because China added more tariffs. And now China is considering banning the import of the US films. Like these two guys, I wonder if, are they talking on the phone or so? Are they actually talking on the phone right now? Or like, man, it's crazy, bro. Ah, brother. Well, yeah, he signed it. Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. Look at this one. Liberation Day happened right here. You can see it a little bit better right now. Liberation Day happened right here. Let me change a few things. Fight to the end right here. 50% tariffs. Oh boy.
You mentioned the 70 countries or so. I'm curious, though, under what conditions at this point would President Trump talk to President Xi about tariffs?
Look, I just spoke to the president about this, and he believes that China wants to make a deal with the United States. He believes China has to make a deal with the United States. It was a mistake for China to retaliate. The president, when America is punched, he punches back harder. That's why there will be 104% tariffs going into effect on China tonight at midnight. But the president believes that Xi and China want to make a deal. They just don't know how to get that started. And the president also wanted me to tell all of you that if China reaches out to make a deal, he'll be incredibly gracious, but he's going to do what's best for the American people.
You mentioned this.
Basically, tariffs are still going. What's up, Mail? Thanks so much for your kind donation. How to solve the Trump tariffs problem? Brazil imports from around the world and exports to U.S. Squeezing the Federal Reserve. He's removing liquidity to squeeze the shorts and over leverage. 2-minute warning. Stop, Steeler. I'm watching, bro. I'm watching. Let me open up Bitcoin right here. Bitcoin 75,000 right there. The lowest Bitcoin was 74,382. Look at that, bro. It's all about tariffs. Like, we had a good comeback after Liberation Day, right? But now it's a mess, bro. Back to 74,000, bro. Welcome to the 1,500 people watching us right now. Who is selling? That's the question, right? So let's go ahead and make it officially actually here. Perfect. There you go. Question in the chat. Question in the chat. Who is selling XRP? Me. I'm out. See ya, retards. Or never. I'm all in to the end. XRP. All right. So it's official. And I mean, markets are closed, as you know, in the US. But it's impacting other countries right now. We're clocking 174 XRP and 74,000 Bitcoin, right? So big shock into the space. Take a look at a few things right now. Watch Guru. Worldwide US tariffs officially in effect. There it is. 11 p.m. My time. Don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. And don't you know, pump it up. It's buy time, Oscar. 100% Pepe. 100%, bro. That's why I've been buying, bro. Look, I'm holding the line, bro. Don't worry. I didn't buy the XRP ETF, but it's live, you know, since today, which is pretty good, you know. Very nice. Midnight watching hour. I know, right? Are we gonna see a green candle or not? I think a bunch of shorts just got liquidated. I think a bunch of shorts just got liquidated right now. So shorts, take it. Welcome, new subscribers. How we doing? Typically, I have hair, but today I decided to change things a little bit. So no worries, it will grow back. This is what crypto does to you sometimes. Eat my shorts. Tariffs are just a way to get people to the bargaining table. I mean, only Donald J. Trump and any economist will know, right, how bad the treatment was, and it's just not messing around. I mean, it's just time to really make America great again, right? And it's gonna be painful. But honestly, fam, it better happen right now than just get prolonged till next year. Bring the pain, bring the struggle, bring the blood fast. Do it fast so we can buy fast and we can enjoy the pump fast. Do it quickly. I don't have much time. Come on, man. Like, we've been waiting years. Bring the pain. If you are going to bring it, make sure that it squeezes and it leaves and it gets everyone who's not supposed to be in crypto out. Because it's not for everybody, you know. Some people cannot handle, you know, what we go through. It's just what it is. Not the end. We gotta be smiling, fam. We gotta be smiling, fam. But when we win. I'm not tired of winning. I'm gonna send you this. I'll put it right here in the chat, fam, so you can click it and also see the full list of everybody who's getting the tariff. So all remaining countries not listed above have a 10% tariff. So these are 10% tariff. So much money coming in. So like, yeah, like he said, $2 billion every day. $2 billion. Laos, Madagascar, Vietnam, and China, 104%. That's so much. So much. But China is going to change a few things. Like, they're not just going to accept it. Things are going to change with China. I'm pretty positive, you know. What is it? We'll see. Planets. I'm sorry, Oscar. I'm new. So I'm ready for more blood to get my feet more wet. I joined the middle of the cycle bull run that started January 2023. I entered February 2024. Market pump till 2024. Nice. Whales are loving this. Yes, for sure. After 60 years of bad policy, it's time to fix it, and it's gonna hurt some short term. 100% Gray. not gonna be a quick medicine. Good medicine always hurts. That's a law. Once you go to the hospital, good medicine is the one because it actually tries to fix the problem you have. So, I've been transparent with you guys, right, for the last couple of days, where I told you, we went in and bought more XRP at 169. We're this close. We're pretty close to 169, but I think still 169 was a really good position. I've been buying Bitcoin. I'm more than halfway my goal of 1 Bitcoin. And after 1 Bitcoin, I'll go back to XRP, Cardano, HBAR, Jasmy, Solana, and other ones. But I really wanted, that 1 BTC because it's time for me to get one. I obviously don't sell the car, don't sell the house, don't sell the wife or anything to buy a Bitcoin, but we do what we can with the money that we have, little by little, and that's it. But there's obviously gonna be things like tariffs that we just don't have any control. But if you, I guess, wait, and we could probably see some major retracements. But by the same time, like I told you in my previous video, guys, we have an abundance of great news, of good news, guys. And you never really know when all of those are just going to erupt and send the price flying, because the price can go flying very quickly, very quickly. Once the tariffs and inflation actually simmer down, we're just gonna go and fly past $2 and $3, bro. And you tell me how many people are gonna be buying that FOMO? Oh, so many people. Yeah, so many people are gonna be buying the FOMO. Not me, right? But just FYI. Would you consider renting the wife? Oh, my friends. Keep trading, guys. Keep doing your business. Keep buying spot trading. Join me in the links down below. I want you guys to get some awesome bonuses. As a reminder to my entire fam, I'm traveling to Dubai at the end of the month for Token 2049. I'll be meeting other content creators like that guys, and I will be possibly meeting some people that we hear a lot. I know Ripple is gonna be there. Crypto.com is going to be there. Bitcoin Maxis are going to be there. So some of the biggest players in the world are going to be in Dubai, right? So I'm very grateful, very happy with my community, because it's because of all of you guys that we can do that. And yeah, it's just amazing. Some people ask me to share with you my positions, my buys, my sells. I do that to my Discord server. So links down below. You want to support the channel, right? And support me to continue this. I tell my community over Discord and Patreon, right, what I'm doing. And lately, I've been telling them exactly of all my trades and my gains and my losses, right? Because we also lose money, not as much as we win money. So FYI. Zoom out, yeah, of course. Just like this. What's the bottom of Ethereum? I mean, Ethereum, bro. It went to 1,300 Ethereum, absolutely just thrown out to $1,300, man. Unbelievable. Completely unbelievable what's happening to Ethereum, bro. It kind of looks like a rock pool, to be honest with you. Just look at this. Just would you take a look at this? Ethereum just went back to the beginning of 2023. Ethereum just went back to the beginning of 2023. Ethereum, this is not normal, Ethereum. This is honestly not normal. And a lot of big whales just sold off their Ethereum. Now who's doing better? XRP or Ethereum? Guys, let's take a look at the market cap. Look at this. Guys, Ethereum is under 200 billion. No way, bro. Oh my goodness. I'm going to make a video on this. What? What? Wow. I mean, I do have some ETH, but that's just not helping any ERC20. Any ERC20. Shiba Inu added a 0 and deleted a 0. But man, bro, Ethereum is absolutely gone, bro. Like, look at this, man. What's happening with Ethereum, man? That's crazy, bro. What's up, Christian? Good to see you, bro. Ethereum will not die, but it's taking a beating. But just look at that, bro. XRP is doing much better. That's why I buy XRP, baby. That's why I buy. I mean, I have ETH, but not much. I have more Bitcoin now than Ethereum, actually. Don't you know, pump it up? You got to pump it up, and don't you know, pump it up? Smash the like button, fam. If you don't mind, that helps a lot, and really happy to have you here. My community is the best, and I'm not tired and ashamed to say it, you know? It's surrounded by a well. What would you call it? XRP will flip Ethereum, not a problem, man. XRP. I'm actually going to take a picture of this because by the time I make the video, it might have already changed. So I'm going to take a picture like this. XRP, yes. Just like that. Just like that. I'm going to save it because I need evidence. XRP, don't you know? Pump it up. Come on, XRP. That's what we buy it. Wow, the Bitcoin dominance is doing phenomenal too. Bitcoin, 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 Bitcoin. Anonymous, what's up, buddy? Thank you, thank you. No music, not for now, bro. I'm a little tired. You know, it's been a long day, but I really wanted to stop by and say hi and just kind of like see what's going on. We're already extremely down, but I mean, we're trying. Let me see if I have some money because I know I was expecting some money. Let me see if they already sent it. Hopefully, yes, so I can buy right now. I want to buy. If I can, I'm going to buy. If not, then I'll just wait. Let's go to Solana. Solana also went to $95, bro. Like, whoa. Pepe also down. Let's go back to Bitcoin. Well, actually, I'm going to go back to X. No, I'm not getting the money today. It's okay. Just reached 4K XRP. Let's go. Byron. Kudos to you, man. Kudos to you. That's awesome, man. Really happy for you, bro. Really, really, really. Ooh, I remember. Yes, I do have money. Not a lot, but it's something. I just remember I have some. I'm gonna open something with Ethereum just in case. Let me go super, super mega fast. Let me fly like the wind. Let me fly. Oh, I have to hurry. I have to hurry. Let me do, because Ethereum is absolutely just so cheap right now that stupid cheap. Let me go here. Keep it for dry powder. It's not gonna be a lot. Okay, very good. Let's do market order. Let's do. Oh, and I need to change it. Wallet to, from wallet to futures. Perfect. Let's go to futures trading. And this is going to be a quick one. Market. Let me change this to. Yeah. And let's do, I can do all the way to 500x. I'm doing ETH. But I think I'm gonna, let's see. Let's do this. Let's do this. 1334. 1334. It's a mess. It's a complete mess. It's a complete mess right now. It's just it is absolutely complete destruction. It's 884 with 1,000 right now. Like, in Fibonacci's from here. I mean, you are already looking at this one. Take a look at this mega oversold. Take a look at the RSI. Yeah, RSI in the weekly is extremely down. Not oversold, but it's actually pretty down. Let me bring my PPF. PPF, come on, PPF. Once again. There it is. PPF right there. We are in the weekly already in the middle there. Like Ethereum is gone. Okay. 14 level. What's up, Oscar? Hey, what's up, buddy? Good to see you. I'm not doing much. This is just because I always like to get in the mega blood, but I'm not doing much. I'm doing different right now. I have a little bit. It's not much money, but I don't want to. I mean, 1,400 Ethereum with all the blood right now. It's a risk I'm willing to take. You know, it's a risk I'm willing to take. That's me estimated. That's perfect. Okay. Okay. Perfect. Okay. My friend has 240,000 XRPs that are good life changing. Yeah, it's fine. Michael, that's terrific. That's terrific. Yeah, that is terrific, my friend. You're gonna be fine. For XRP, I'm not gonna open anything like about a long because I mean it's still not that bad, like a 160s. But Ethereum, it's at a level that it's like stupid. It's like, are you joking? That's how bad is Ethereum right now. Ethereum is like if Bitcoin was 72,000. That is what Ethereum is right now. Or like 71,000, something like that. Hey, Oscar, do you see the 10-year treasury note rising? That's not good. Luis, I did not, but thank you for letting me know, bro. Thank you. Okay, Solana is not bad too. Let me take a look at Solana. Just a quick. So, I mean, when I wake up, I want to see if I can make some nice trades, you know. 104. And Solana is already dead as far as the price. Still gonna come back, but it's so down, bro, too. So down. Let me see. 74, no, that could happen. Let's do maybe 15. I'm gonna wait on this one. There's a chance. I'll leave some dry powder right there just in case. Good. Could buy Ethereum with my money, with my income tax. Nice. Something big is coming. It's only a matter of time. It's true. Closing the poll right now, fam. Closing the poll right now. It's good that, I had a chance to do at least some trading at a pretty decent level, in my opinion. Whatever happens, so ready. Peter Schiff, as I warned earlier, the treasury market is crashing. The yield on the 10-year, which is what you were saying, the 10-year, it just hit 4.5%. The yield is in the 30-year, it just hit 5% without an emergency rate cut tomorrow morning. And the announcement of the massive QE program, quantitative easing, tomorrow could be a 1987 style stock market crash. Just more speculation, right? Who is selling XRPs? 80%? Never. 20%? I'm out. Got it. Oscar, who's your barbers? He's still alive? Yeah, they are. They are. I don't see that, it's decent. If you see me live, it's not that as bad as it looks like. Guys, that's all I got for you, fam. Just wanted to say hi. Just wanted to really get with my community. I wasn't able to come here earlier, and I hope that you are enjoying the content that we're bringing to you every single day. Things are changing right now. All the tariffs just went into effect. There was no immediate crash so far in the space. We'll have to see tomorrow, but yeah, this is it, right? Just in case we have a pump out of nowhere, I'm already in. So we'll be watching very, very closely. Okay? With that being said, guys, thank you so much for stopping by. Drop a like before you leave. All links down below if you want to continue joining me in trading. And I'll see you next time, guys. Please be safe. Take care. To all my donors, my members, the new subscribers, thank you for being here. I appreciate you, and there's more to come. And we're already at mega great levels, honestly. If it wasn't for the tariffs, these levels, there's a chance we would have never seen it before. We would have never seen them again, better said. It's because of the tariffs that we have a chance to revisit 176 and 75,000 and 1,400 Ethereum, guys. It's because of those tariffs. So if you're taking advantage of them, there you have it. Cheers. God bless. Bye. Take it easy. Here's my X. If you want to follow and check it out, all the latest content and funny posts, because man, it's been crazy. Have a good one, guys. You take care.